Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Check it out. I've never seen windows like this. I couldn't figure out, I know that sounds silly, right? It didn't take long, but couldn't figure out how to open them initially. So I thought I'd show you these. When you're a kid, you might have called these cranker windows. These are casement windows. Someone even said they're double casement windows. So pretty interesting. This was at an Airbnb. And when I wanted to open them and let some cool breeze in, I figured it out. So you boop bop, you unlock, just like that, up on these unlocks. You pull out this handle. It's like kind of hidden, right? That's really cool. Flip it open. Now you can give it a twirly bird. On this one, clockwise, we'll open it. We're going to go on the left side. We're going to bop that open. And on this side, counterclockwise is how you're going to open it. And you'll do that in reverse order to close these casement windows. That's how these crankers work. So on this side, we're going counterclockwise to close. Then you kind of, once you have it tight, move it a little bit, pop it back into place, lock it so a creeper doesn't get in. On this side, clockwise is going to close it. You got it tight. Move it a little bit. You pop it in, you lock it, you pop, lock, and drop it. 2 thumbs up, casement windows. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.